Hindi ako makapaniwala. Nakatrabaho ko na si Christine. And nakatrabaho ko na rin si Vivian. And they both very pleasant to work with. So I couldn't believe it. Kala ko baka it's just a, baka someone's drumming up lang something. So I don't really know.
Pero kayo naman, may separate dressing room ka?
Me kasi
or-
talaga, I really always have my own separate. So, I don't experience
Parang I
it.
remember, nagkaroon din ng issue sa'yo before sa dressing room. Huwag na.
Sino?
Microwave.
Ay, hindi naman totoo yun eh. That's made up.
Correct.
diba?
Oo, wag na. Naalala ko
Made up
lang.
yun. Diba?
Oo. So anong, Miss Don, after ng teleserye, after ng You're My Home, may plano ba to do another teleserye?
Not yet. Not at the moment. I may take a break. I may take a break. Anyway, kasi I'm working now on the movie.
After
So
that?
after the movie, baka I'll just take a break. We'll see. Wala pa namang offer.
Di ba you will be busy with the election?
No.
Hindi tatakbo si...
No, Anton's not running anymore.
Why po ayaw niya
He's
na?
resting.
Ma'am, sa Richard po ba humingi ng support sa inyo for the...
Kakampay mo ba siya?
I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to anyway. He doesn't ask for my support. Don't
But
worry.
if ever po.
Kung sakali po ba humingi?
I don't think he will.
Ah,